Hello guys, in this video I will show you how you can check your pending orders on the Trading212 app. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open the Trading212 app, then go to the menu, which is on the top left corner, and if you tap on it and scroll down, you will see the pending order tab with this clock icon, and when you tap on it you can see your pending orders on this list. As you can see, I have an order for Tesla stocks for 6 stocks at a price of 795, and that's pretty much it. Here you can see it, and you can cancel your orders by tapping on the X on the right side. So it's pretty easy to follow. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one.